Hi friends, I am going to start my new journal for 2024. I have used up my old one, which is this one. I'll show you. I'll do a flip through of this one, but I have filled this one to the very end. And now it's time to start a new one. So I have this old book, The Arkansas Bear, and I love it because the page sizes are just right. It's not too old so that the pages will rip right away. I love like the little music notes. I love the little pen and ink drawings. So if I want to keep something like that in there, I can just leave it. But I'm going to show you how I make this into my art journal. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is an old book. You can even just go to the dollar store and buy a book. It doesn't matter. I just prefer old books. I love Artist Loft acrylic paint. This is soft body and it's white. You're going to need some Mod Podge. I prefer the matte. I don't really like the glossy. Old brush and maybe some clips. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is I will go through and look through here and see if there are any pages, which so far I don't care for any of these, but I think this is pretty cute. So what I'm going to do is I will glue all these pages down. And then I'm going to go through again, look for some more pages, see if I like any, take several and glue them together. Okay, so we're going to start that, and I'll fast forward all this as well. Okay, so as you can see, I have glued these 3 or 4 pages together. Sometimes you might want to go back, add a little bit to the edge so that they don't rip. And this is going to give you a nice, sturdy first page, second page. So I'll probably leave this in here just because I think he's pretty cute. Then I'm going to take another, probably 3 or 4 pages and glue those together. And then I will do this all through this book. Now, sometimes I'll do it all at once. It's a big book, so I'm not going to do that. But I'll do probably 3 or 4 at a time just to get myself prepped. So I'm going to go ahead and do some more. And then I'm going to show you how to prep the page for art journaling. All right, so I am finished doing several pages together. Here's what I've come up with. I've gotten this signature, this one, and this one. So technically I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages that I can get prepped and ready to go to do some journaling in. Okay, so I'm just going to smooth this out just one more time. Sometimes you can take a brayer to this and smooth it if you want. All right, so now I'm going to take this white paint, and because I'm extremely messy, it doesn't always work to squirt out the top. So I'm going to start with my first section here. I think I'm just going to leave this blank, but I'm going to work on this. And I'm going to pour some of this out. And whoop, didn't want to do that, did I? Oh well, that's okay. I poured a lot. Oh my word. Okay. Let's do some of this. That one came out really fast. Okay. So I cover up this page. And I don't have to do it completely so that you can't see absolutely anything, just because I'm going to go over it again with maybe paper or different paints or book pages or however I want to art journal that day. So that one's ready to go. Now I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to spread some more. Doesn't matter which direction you do it in. Again, just kind of getting a little bit of a cover on that. I'm not even going to do down to the edges. Oh my gosh, I put so much paint out here. I could do all of these pages. Wow, that was a lot of paint out of there, huh? Here we go. All right, so now that I have these several pages prepped, I'm gonna put this clamp right here, and I'm gonna put another one at the top here so that they set on each other, and that will give it room to dry without sticking to each other. And I'm gonna put another one down here. Now you can do one page and then dry it with a dryer, but I need to go pick up my daughter, so I'm just gonna do this and give it some time. See how it just kind of lays like that? And I'm just gonna put a little something in here to hold that up. I think I'm gonna put this right here. Okay, so now everything's gonna dry. All right, so I let this dry overnight, and I'm just gonna show you the outcome. I did have one little tear here where it's stuck. That doesn't bother me at all. Sometimes I love just the ruggedness of it, or I'll just go back and throw some more paint on there and then dry it. And then, yeah, so here I have another page ready to go. So, and I love, look what the clamps did. It gave me some fun rough areas there. Seriously, I will just kind of embrace everything that it does in here, and I do not need it to be perfect. So I'm going to start on a journal page, and I will put up a new YouTube video on my first journal page. So I'm hoping you can find something fun to do the same, and maybe we could do this together. You could try stuff in yours. And I'm going to go through, like I said, start the first page, and then I'll go through and prep some more pages. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll continue on this art journey together. Thanks, friends. Bye.